Hey, this is Greg with BlipSnips, and I'm here to walk you through our new BlipSnips for Facebook iPhone application. This is one half of the two-part product we are launching, which includes this iPhone application and its paired Facebook application player. So as you'll see in a moment, any of the videos that you create and BlipSnip by tagging your friends and adding moments will all be pushed up to our brand new Facebook player for your friends to view and enjoy. But for now, let's walk you through the iPhone app. First thing, you'll download the application like any right out of iTunes, and it'll drop our BlipSnips icon, which you see here, right in your desktop. Clicking that, the first thing we'll ask you to do is authenticate the app through Facebook Connect, which I've already done here. It's a very quick process, and once done, what we do is load in your Facebook friends and get the application established so you can push videos up to the Facebook servers and, of course, utilize our Facebook Player app. Using the app is incredibly easy. First things first, we have an information button here right on the home screen. So if you want to add feedback and provide us, ideas of new ways to extend the app, we love the feedback. Hit that. We'll also note that you can set video recording qualities and compression qualities. That's found in the iPhone settings for your applications. Let's get back to demonstrating the application. To create a BlipSnip is a very easy process. When you click on Create a BlipSnip, we provide you two options. Do you want to shoot a brand new video from our application, or perhaps prior to installing BlipSnips, you may have a ton of video you shot with your iPhone, and of course we provide you access to those archived videos. So that's what I'm going to do here just to streamline the process. You'll simply dip into your photo library, find a video. In this case, I'll just choose one of a bike race. And what we do here is provide you with a preview screen, just like you do on any iPhone video. We want to make sure that this is the right one. So upon approval, you choose the video, and we put the video through a compression process such that when we are ready to push this information, this data, this video file up to Facebook, it's done in the most, number one, high definition fashion, but the most efficient fashion. Now, once the compression is done, as you see, we've loaded you in our tagging screen. And this is where you're going to do your BlipSnip tagging, moment creation, and of course editing. The first thing that I'd like to show you, though, is you'll note the orientation of my phone is in profile mode. We suggest you move to landscape mode. This will give you infinite better sort of usability. Note your thumbs are here to access these very important parts of the user interface. If you want to understand what the user interface does, simply click the I button in the upper right-hand corner, and we'll provide to you a nice sort of overlaid tutorial of what each of the buttons do on our user interface. So that's a very easy thing for you to call up at any time. Now, let's get into some blip snipping. What I like to do is start playing the video. And as things occur, like a bike racer coming screaming through the mud, and perhaps it's someone I know, I simply click the blue tag button. That pauses the video and provides you the opportunity to do two things. Number one is tagging your Facebook friend. I'll just pretend that this is me for a moment, or maybe it's my co-founder John Bliss. So I'll type in John Bliss, and there he is. And he's ready. I can tag as many friends as I want in the scene or in the moment as we refer to it, and I'll click done. The second thing that I'll do is type in a textual caption of that moment, like something clever, like here's John. You'll notice too that we are keeping count of the amount of characters. We start you with 140, and that helps us keep the tagging very tight and concise, and will enable us in the future to do some interesting things with Twitter. I'll click done. And once your complete moment is done, again, click the done button, we drop you back into the user interface for further tagging, creating more moments, etc. And you'll notice here in the timeline that your tag is indicated by a simple blue button. You can always click on it and recall your moment to edit, delete, add more people, etc. I'll click done again. And now let's make the assumption that I've made lots of moments. I want to share a bunch of friends in the video, and we're at a phase now where we can push this all up to Facebook. Simply click the green Save and Upload button, and I'll entitle this video Bike Race, something awesome like that. I can save now. Perhaps I want to upload this later. Maybe I have no Wi-Fi connection or a 3G connection. And let me make note of where that dropped. Let me get out of the scrubbing screen. When you save a video, you drop it into My BlipSnips. This is the one that I just created. And notice it's in the saved bin. Now, I can recall that by clicking on it. And when we're ready, and perhaps I've done some more editing, I can simply click the green upload button again, and bam, click upload. Right there, we've added you to the upload queue. And as you'll see, we provide you a user interface that is showing you in real time what your video is doing. In this case, we're rifling up megabytes of data every second. And that quickly, we have now pushed your video through the interwebs all the way up to the Facebook servers directly through our API connection to Facebook. And you'll click OK. Now, once it's up on Facebook and they have done encoding it, the moment it's ready, all of your friends will be tagged and notified of their tags to come and view the BlipSnip work of art on our new Facebook player. Well, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this mini demonstration, and we're really excited to have you use and enjoy the BlipSnips for Facebook application suite. Thanks.